give you guys a nice neutral eye makeup today. So for those of you who are asking about my eyebrows, it's a journey. They are small because when I was waxing my eyebrows recently, I jacked them up. You know, it's cool. Yesterday, I filled them in and they were small. Today, I filled them in and I overdrew them. Whatever, it's all good, no problem. But the good thing is, eyebrows are sisters and not twins. So, they don't bother me. My look for today, very simple, very simple. I just wanted to look natural. Check out that highlight, you guys. Whew. My goodness. Here's my quick and my easy makeup tutorial for you guys today. I did put my foundation on and fill my eyebrows in before I filmed the video, but I will show you guys what I use. For my concealers, I use I was using LA Girl Pro Concealer, my go-to, everyone's favorite because it is inexpensive. I believe it's like $3, $2 and some change, rounded up, put some tax on there, it's $3. And I use the color Espresso. I do kind of switch between a couple of them. I think it's Espresso, Dark Cocoa. I think Dark Cocoa is one of my favorites because it is very close to my skin tone. Recently, I have wanted to try this new concealer. It is by Maybelline. Go into your local drugstore and you will see a concealer that looks like this in the Maybelline section. All right, guys. Okay, and that's I've been trying this out, but I do like my LA Girl concealer, but I've been really liking this one. Being a woman of color, we do have hyperpigmentation, and that simply means that my neck is darker, as you can see, which doesn't bother me to make it the exact same color, because if I was to bring all of my makeup down here, down to my neck, that means I'm getting makeup on my clothes, on everything that I wear, and I don't like that. I don't like that feeling. So this doesn't really bother me at all. But being a woman of color, we do have a lot of hyperpigmentation, and that means I'm darker around the top of my lip. I do have dark spots on the sides of my nose, and my eyes, now mind you, my eyes are underneath lighter. They are on a cooler tone, so like a yellow tone, undertone, and I do have dark spots these are not big problems, but I just like to cover them up when I do wear makeup. So instead of me using a orange concealer or a red concealer, those things that you would typically see women of color use, I like to use something that's closer to my foundation color. So I have been using this Maybelline concealer, and I do love LA Girl Pro Concealer, my go-to. This I believe was like $6, $3. They do the same exact thing. Recently I have been using Maybelline's Fit Me. Love it. I have extremely oily skin. Extremely oily skin. I mean, like it's an oil pool all over, not dry in one spot, oily in another. I mean, I get oily all over. So the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless, it has been my go-to foundation. So this has been my favorite foundation for about a year now, and this has been my go-to. I am in the color 370. Okay, I am in the color 370. It does matte my face out very well. If you want to know any other products that I use, I will put them in the description down below. Some of the stuff I use is not name brand. On myself, I don't use a lot of name brand stuff. I just don't. Since I was in high school, I never used name brand things, and it's what works for me. But sometimes you could do a beautiful, flawless, full face with drugstore products. It's all about how you apply it. Some of the products I did use on myself are not name brand. And you will see that my eyeliner, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hill lip palette. I use the black lipstick on my eye. I just love the pigment. I love how it comes out to be. I love the consistency of it because it is a lipstick. I like gel liners, and I love creamy liners. So that's what I stick to. So I've been using that as my eyeliner. Also, my powder that you saw me put on is by L'Oreal, the Infallible. I love this stuff. Swear by it. It is the perfect color for me. It says a 16-hour wear, so I guess it works for 16 hours. I don't know, but I just love the way that this powder looks on me. So that's the end of my video, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. But go ahead, take this moment to click the subscribe button, click on that bell so you get all notifications, like, subscribe, and share this channel. Okay, you guys, thank you so much. I do appreciate you guys tuning in.